Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Htaccess on Bluehost. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to find the Htaccess. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply go and click on this advanced button on the left panel, which will open this cpanel or the control panel page for us. Here, we will have to scroll down until these files and click on File Manager. That should take us into this option. Now, all we need to do, just go and look up for settings. You'll find this at the top right corner. Click on it, and from there, click on preferences if you have like a tab of other settings. For me, once I click on settings, the preference will open directly. Here, of course, I will have to check this show hidden files option, then simply click on save. Now, as you can see, you will see all the files into your file manager. So here, of course, you can just go and click on this file to create actually a new file. Then you'll have to name it .htaccess and create a new file. As you can see, they are telling me that could not create Htaccess and home. Of course, that's just the file manager because this file exists. For you, if it's not existing, you can simply go and create it as I showed you. But for the other people that have it, as you can see, you will find it right here when you actually go to settings, preferences, and show the hidden files. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.